Have your Freelander bonnet struts given up? Then check out this video for the most cost-effective way to replace them. Hi there guys, welcome back to another Ross Perry Productions video. And as you will have seen in the intro, my 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 bonnet struts have failed. Now, I'm fortunate enough that Excess Automobile and Motorcycle Parts Store have sent me a direct replacement. I'll also leave a link to the shop and also the part in the description below, so be sure to check that out. But we're really lucky on this car because it does have gas struts from factory. This is just a direct replacement with no bracketry or really any tools required to do the job, so they're just a direct replacement. So we'll jump straight into unboxing them and then we'll go ahead, install them to the car, and also I'll show you a video of them working as well. And here's everything that comes in the package. So we have our two struts and of course our instructions here. So the instructions tell you that there's two different types of standard struts. One's where you would need a flat head screwdriver or a flat object, and another type where you would need a pin. I've already taken a look and I know that I need a relatively small flat screwdriver. So just to take a look at one of the struts itself, I've gone for the standard carbon look, which I quite like, and the brand is Zhang Shang. If you checked out some of my videos, you'll notice I've used these quite a lot, and I've also never had one fail, and they've always been a really good fit. So I'm looking forward to get these on the car. For the first step, we're going to re-support our bonnet, and I've done this using a piece of timber. And just bear in mind, whatever you prop it with needs to be strong enough to take the entire weight of the bonnet. I know our struts have failed, however, they will still actually be lifting quite a load, so it's quite deceiving. So just to take a closer look at one of our struts, like I say, mine's the type that's going to need a flat screwdriver to take off. And you can just see the metal clips there. We're going to pop that off like that. And then there's one down there that we're going to pop off like that. So we're just going to now actually take the strut off. So pull the clip away and then you can actually rotate that down. You actually notice the amount of weight that's actually come down on the timber now. So I'm just going to make sure that is definitely secure. And then we can go ahead and take the other one off. Like so. With the old strut now off, you can actually compare it to the new one. Now the overall length is pretty much the same, a couple of mil out, but nothing terrible. And also you'll notice that the ball stud clips are dead in line, so just make sure your new one is the same. Now to put the new one on the car, just make sure you get it the right way round. So I'm going to start with the bottom one, and then I'm going to go ahead and lift the bonnet up to get the top one in line. And now repeat for the other side. And there we go, that's how easy it is to replace the bonnet struts on a Land Rover Freelander 2 using the direct replacement units available from Excess Automobile and Motorcycle Parts Store. Please do check them out using the links in the description below. It'll also update the pricing depending on where you are in the world, and the product is absolutely excellent quality, especially for the price point. So really happy with the product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.